Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make pumpkin scones. It's very easy with few ingredients, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. So for the ingredients, I have here pumpkins, soft raisin flour, butter, icing sugar, baking soda, salt, milk and egg. So to begin with, I'll boil 1 cup of pumpkin, and I'm going to mash it and set it aside to cool down. And next, in a small bowl, I'll mix butter, sugar, and the egg yolk with the electric mixer until it's well combined. So I'll now transfer it into a larger bowl, and to it I'll add the flour, salt, and the baking soda, and I'm going to mix it very well. Next, I'm going to transfer the dough on a flat surface, and I'm going to knead it lightly. And at this moment, I'm going to cut the dough into half, and I'll start working on the other half. And I'll also grease my baking tray and get it ready. So I'll now flatten the dough and cut it with the pastry ring cutters and place them on the tray. And now I'm going to brush the top with a little bit of milk. So I've already preheated my oven to about 240 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to bake it for 14 minutes until it's golden brown. And please, if you have enjoyed this recipe at this point, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also give me a thumbs up. And I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description box below. So at this moment, it's done baking, and as you can see, it's looking very soft. It's smelling very nice. So I'm going to spread some butter inside, or you can also spread some strawberry jam or any jam of your choice. And you can also have it with your cup of tea. And I hope you are going to try this recipe. Now I'm going to garnish with a little bit of icing sugar. And we are done. Very, very simple. So thank you all so much for watching. And I'm going to see you in my next video.